A trusted member of the community in Attica, Indiana, an assistant track coach at the high school, now faces charges of sex crimes. Police arrested 39-year-old Jeremy Kelley yesterday. He's charged with sexual exploitation of a child, receipt of child pornography, and possession of child pornography. Police say they began investigating Kelley back in January. He's the assistant boys and girls track coach at Attica High School, and this week, officers say they found 451 videos and 27,000 images on his phone containing child pornography. Kelley is in federal custody. He'll have his first hearing July 2nd, and there's no word yet on his status with Attica High School.